apologies for the brevity. Let's dive deeper. The French Revolution of 1789 was a watershed moment in European history, reshaping the political landscape not just of France, but influencing ideologies worldwide. It began as a revolt against the monarchy's absolute rule and quickly transformed into a struggle for liberty, equality, and fraternity. Economic instability, exacerbated by France's involvement in expensive wars and an unfair taxation system, fueled discontent among the common people. The monarchy's lavish spending, coupled with a feudal social structure that privileged the clergy and nobility over the masses, contributed to widespread anger and resentment. The revolution's spark ignited with the convening of the Estates General in May 1789. The Third Estate, representing the commoners, defied tradition by declaring themselves the National Assembly, claiming the right to represent the people of France. This defiance escalated when the revolutionaries stormed the Bastille on July 14, 1789, a symbol of royal tyranny. The revolution's radical phase, exemplified by the Reign of Terror from 1793 to 1794, saw the rise of revolutionary tribunals and the execution of perceived enemies of the revolution, including King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette. The Committee of Public Safety, led by Maximilien Robespierre, wielded dictatorial powers in the name of protecting the revolution. Amidst the chaos, Napoleon Bonaparte, a talented military commander, seized power in a coup d'etat in 1799, ending the revolution and establishing himself as first consul of France. Napoleon's rule brought stability to France, but also saw the consolidation of authoritarian power and the spread of French revolutionary ideals through military conquests across Europe. The legacy of the French Revolution is profound, shaping modern concepts of democracy, citizenship, and human rights. Its principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity continue to inspire movements for social justice and political reform worldwide, making it one of the most influential events in modern history.